Hello students, greetings from Firebird Institute of Research and Management. In this video, we are going to see how to fill the MAT 2023 application form step by step. Many students ask doubt regarding the filling up of MAT 2023 application form and the essential documents that was required. And in this video, we are going to see how to fill the MAT 2023 application form. And the basic thing, the first thing you should know is the test is conducted in 3 modes: paper-based test, PBT, computer-based test, CBT, and IBT, internet-based test. As of now, they have released date for 1 PBT, 2 CBT, and 4 IBT test dates are released. The first IBT test is to be held on 21st May, and CBT 1 on 14th May, CBT 2 on 4th June. First IBT is to be held on 7th May, second IBT on 13th May, third IBT on 20th May, and fourth IBT on 27th May. Now, those who want to register for the upcoming MAT 2023 can plan accordingly by checking with your academic schedule. Okay, and now, next, the basic fee structure for MAT 2023 application. So if you opt any one of the test mode, either PBT or CBT or IBT, your test fee is around 1,950. You can also take 2 tests in a moment. That is, you can also book for PBT and IBT, PBT and CBT, CBT and IBT, and 2 CBTs also you can choose. Okay, if you plan to take 2 tests, okay, that we call it as double remote protract internet-based test. So if you plan to take 2 tests, so the test fee will be around 3,500. Okay, if you attend 2 tests, the best of the 2 scores will be taken in the, okay, for your evaluation. Now, let us see what are the documents required to apply for MAT 2023. Okay, now, see, before starting to fill up the MAT registration form, you should be ready with these documents. You should have valid email ID and scanned photograph image in JPEG format. Okay, and its size should be 10 KB to 50 KB. It should not be more than 50 KB. And you should also have the scanned image of your signature. And its size is not less than 5 KB and maximum 20 KB. And the next thing, you should have either debit card or credit card or net banking facility, PGDM valid details while filling up your registration form, MAT registration form, for paying your fee. Okay, and then they will also ask you personal details as well as educational details. Okay. So the new candidates, you have to visit mat.aima.in and click on the register button to register yourself for the MAT. Okay. So while registering, fill the details to create login. You must have the very essential things. You must have a valid email ID and valid phone number while enrolling for this exam. Okay. Press the register button. A verification link will be sent to your email ID. And click the verify tab to verify yourself. Okay, now, so this is the basic thing. And what are the other steps to fill the application form? So first you have to select your test mode, and then you should upload your photograph and signature, and then you have to select your management institute choices. Then you should do your payment. After doing your payment, you have to fill up your personal details, qualification and experience details, and there are also some additional information they may ask. Okay, the first step 1, okay, you have to select your test mode, either which you are going to take PBT or computer-based test or internet-based test. Okay, so maximum you can take 2 test modes at a time. And then, second step, you should upload your photograph as well as signature. Keep it in mind that the image of the photograph should be taken recently, and also the photo image should be in JPG or JPEG format. Okay, and the size should not be less than 10 KB and it should also not be greater than 50 KB. And upload your signature as well. Okay, sign on white paper with a black pen and scan it. Please scan the signature area only and not the entire page. Keep this in mind. And the scanned image should be in the form of JPG or JPEG format. And the size of the image should not be less than 5 KB and not more than 20 KB. Okay, see, you should also note down that photograph must be a recent passport size color photo and make sure that the color photo is taken against a light color, preferably white background. And next, step 3, choose your management institutes. Okay. And step 4, make payment, have a valid credit card or debit card or Paytm wallet details or internet banking details while enrolling for your main MAT 2023. And the next thing, you should be ready to, after making the payment, you should be ready to fill your personal particulars, qualifications and experiences. Fill the details on the online registration form. Since your eligibility will be screened based on the information furnished by you, you are required to exercise sufficient care to correctly furnish the personal details, the qualification details, etc. So you should fill up your correct details. And in step 6, you can download your registration form. Okay. Now, so these are the procedures, and definitely if you have these things with you, it will be very helpful while applying for your May MAT 2023. So I hope you got some information about how to apply for your May MAT 2023, right? And see, let me tell you once again, for MAT 3 details, and either you can take IBT, PBT or CBT, the course fee is 1,950. If you take double remote protect, that is 2 tests, you can take either PBT or IBT, PBT, CBT, and CBT, IBT, and CBT and CBT. The cost is around 3,100. All the best, students. If you have any doubt regarding May MAT registration form, you can contact 88700 46080. Thank you all. The admissions for May MAT 2023 25 days crash course is open now. Those who are in their beginning stage and those who need to develop their skills and those who want to improve their marks in the upcoming May MAT examination, don't hesitate to join this 25 days crash course at an affordable fee. All the best, students.